Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Easy DIY, replace your parking brake cable like a pro. Parking brake release cable replacement is a crucial aspect of vehicle maintenance that drivers should not overlook. The parking brake, also known as the handbrake, plays a significant role in keeping a parked vehicle stationary. The release cable is a vital component of this system, responsible for disengaging the parking brake when needed. Over time, the parking brake release cable may wear out or become damaged due to regular use and exposure to the elements. Signs of a failing cable can include the parking brake not releasing properly or feeling loose. Ignoring these issues can lead to safety risks, such as the vehicle rolling unexpectedly or the parking brake failing to hold the car in place. In this video, we will delve into the importance of maintaining a properly functioning parking brake system and discuss the process of replacing the release cable. By addressing this maintenance task promptly, drivers can ensure their safety on the road and prevent potential accidents. Let's explore the steps involved in parking brake release cable replacement and how drivers can tackle this essential repair with confidence. Signs that indicate a faulty parking brake release cable. Unusual sounds. When it comes to detecting issues with your parking brake release cable, one of the telltale signs can be unusual sounds emanating from your vehicle. If you hear grinding or squeaking noises when engaging or disengaging your parking brake, it could signal a problem with the release cable. These noises may indicate friction or wear within the cable mechanism, requiring prompt attention to avoid further damage. Difficulty engaging or disengaging. Experiencing difficulty in engaging or disengaging your parking brake is another symptom of a potential problem with the release cable. If you find that the parking brake lever feels stiff or won't fully engage or disengage, it could be a result of a faulty cable. This can pose safety risks and should not be ignored, as proper functionality of the parking brake is crucial for vehicle safety. Warning lights on the dashboard. Modern vehicles are equipped with dashboard warning lights that can alert you to various issues, including problems with the parking brake system. If you notice warning lights related to the parking brake illuminated on your dashboard, it could be an indication of a malfunction in the release cable. Ignoring these warning signs can lead to unsafe driving conditions and potential brake failure, underscoring the importance of addressing the issue promptly. By recognizing these signs early on, drivers can take proactive steps to address potential problems with the parking brake release cable, ensuring the safety and reliability of their vehicles on the road. The importance of timely replacement. Parking brake release cables play a crucial role in ensuring the safety and functionality of your vehicle. Understanding the importance of timely replacement can help you avoid potential risks and maintain the overall well-being of your car. Avoiding accidents. A faulty parking brake release cable can lead to unexpected situations where your vehicle may roll away uncontrollably. Timely replacement is vital in preventing accidents, especially when parking on inclined surfaces. By addressing this issue promptly, you can secure your vehicle and protect yourself and others from harm. Preventing vehicle damage. Ignoring the signs of a failing parking brake release cable can result in damage to various components of your car. The excessive strain on the system can lead to wear and tear, affecting the overall performance of your vehicle. By replacing the cable on time, you can prevent costly repairs and maintain the integrity of your car. Legal consequences. In some regions, driving a vehicle with a faulty parking brake release cable can lead to legal repercussions. Authorities may consider it a safety hazard and issue fines or penalties for non-compliance. By staying proactive and replacing the cable when needed, you can avoid legal troubles and ensure that your vehicle meets the required safety standards. Remember, timely replacement of the parking brake release cable is not just about convenience. It's a crucial aspect of vehicle maintenance that affects safety, functionality, and compliance. By addressing this issue promptly, you can protect yourself, your car, and others on the road from potential risks and ensure smooth driving experiences. Steps to replace a parking brake release cable. Gathering the necessary tools. Before diving into the replacement process, ensure you have the specific tools required for the task. You will need pliers, wrenches, jack stands, and, most importantly, a new release cable. Having these tools prepared will make the replacement process smoother and more efficient. Ensuring safety first. Safety should always be the top priority when working on any vehicle maintenance task. Wear protective gear such as gloves and safety glasses to shield yourself from any potential harm. Make sure to chock the wheels to prevent the vehicle from moving and work on a flat surface to ensure stability during the replacement process. Step-by-step replacement process. Accessing the cable. Locate the parking brake release cable under the vehicle. Use a jack stand to raise the car and secure it properly, allowing you to access the cable with ease. Removing the old cable. Use the appropriate tools to disconnect the old release cable from its attachments carefully. Take note of how the cable is routed for easier installation of the new one. Installing the new cable. Attach the new release cable following the same route as the old one. Ensure a secure and tight fit to guarantee optimal functionality. Testing the parking brake. After installation, test the parking brake functionality to ensure that the new cable operates smoothly. Engage and disengage the brake to verify that everything is working correctly post-replacement. When replacing the parking brake release cable, it's essential to consider the specific requirements of your vehicle model. Different cars may have variations in the cable's location and attachment points, so always refer to your vehicle's manual for detailed instructions tailored to your car's make and model. Remember, taking care of these maintenance tasks not only ensures your safety but also prolongs the life of your vehicle. Common mistakes to avoid during cable replacement. When replacing the parking brake release cable, there are common pitfalls that DIYers often encounter. Incorrect cable routing is a fundamental error that can significantly impact the performance of the parking brake system. Improperly routed cables can lead to malfunctions, affecting the overall safety and functionality of the brake system. Ensure the cable follows the designated path to prevent any issues down the line. Incorrect cable routing. Incorrectly routing the parking brake release cable can have severe consequences. The cable needs to be positioned correctly to ensure the smooth operation of the parking brake. Misrouting can result in the cable being pinched, stretched, or tangled, leading to decreased effectiveness and potential safety hazards. Always refer to the vehicle's manual or seek professional guidance to guarantee the cable is installed accurately. Overlooking cable tension. Maintaining proper cable tension is crucial for the parking brake system to function optimally. Overlooking cable tension during replacement can result in a loose or overly tight cable, affecting the brake's performance. A loose cable may not engage the brake properly, while an overly tight cable can cause premature wear and damage. Adjust the tension according to the manufacturer's specifications to ensure the parking brake operates smoothly. By being mindful of these common mistakes and following best practices during the cable replacement process, you can avoid unnecessary complications and ensure the effectiveness of your parking brake system. Regular maintenance and attention to detail are key in preserving the functionality and safety of your vehicle's braking mechanism. After diving into the details of parking brake release cable replacement, it becomes evident that this maintenance task is crucial for ensuring the safety and functionality of your vehicle. By understanding the signs of a failing parking brake release cable and following the steps outlined in this guide, you can address any issues promptly and prevent potential accidents or damage. The significance of timely replacement cannot be overstated. Neglecting this issue can lead to serious consequences on the road. Your diligence in maintaining your vehicle reflects your commitment to safety, not only for yourself but also for other road users. Take charge of your vehicle's maintenance and don't overlook the importance of the parking brake release cable. By staying proactive and addressing any concerns promptly, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your vehicle is in top condition, keeping you safe on your journeys. Remember, a small investment in maintenance today can save you from costly repairs or accidents tomorrow. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.